Afternoon everyone, I'm Chucky2009. Today I'm here with my buddy Mr. Peter Zila, and we're going to be talking about advanced MIG welding of aluminum, right Pete?
Yes. So the tech tip of the day here is how do I weld aluminum and what does it look like when I do this? So I went ahead and I welded two coupons already, one like classic with no hot start and no crater fill, and one with hot start and crater fill. So let's take a look at those. So the top one is the one with the classic MIG. The bottom one is the pulsed one with the hot start and the crater fill. This is what they looked like after I welded them, and then we wire brushed them, and now they look like this. So let's go to the classic one first. You see a big cold lump here for the first 3/4 inch, and you see actually cold fusion and pinholes on the toe line. That's where the material was not up to heat yet. Now everybody will say you have to preheat aluminum. In some instances you just can't. There's like hydraulic lines and wires in the way, and you just have to minimize your heat input. At the end you see a big gaping hole. That's where the wire just stopped and did not fill the crater. So now with the advanced machine there is a hot start which binds the toe lines really nice, and it starts out 35% over the suggested setting, and then it goes down to the suggested setting, and here we used 2.5 second crater fill, which the crater is a lot less. With another second it probably would have been gone all the way. So now let's take a look at the machine and see how we do this. So a regular MIG welder, classic MIG, is 2T. You pull the trigger, it feeds wire, you let go, it stops. This machine has a 4T mode also. The 4T trigger for aluminum has been reprogrammed to get you hot start. On the first pull and hold, for however long you hold it, it will give you 35% more than the 104 amps it's dialed into right now. As you let go, it still keeps welding at the settings that are pre-selected. When you pull and hold the trigger again, it goes into slope down mode. You can dial this anywhere from 0.1 to 10 seconds to fill the crater. As you let go, it stops. That is your tech tip of the day, presented by HTP America and the ProPulse 200.